Last four numbers, 3910, 1718, Upper Deck Ice, box break, hits only. Let the surgery begin. Advertising, as always, 3 and 3. Empty box, sorry.
Move those up, show the hits. We got a base of Brian Rust. Base of Josh Manson. Pretty white one. Ooh, Capitals Premier Rookie. Madison Bowey. Number 6. 006 of 499. Madison Bowey. And that's a hit. And base of Nicholas Chalmerson.
Matt Murray base, pretty little white one. We have a Sub-Zero rookie for the New York Islander, Josh Ho-Sang. There we go, Islanders, Kopitar, Schneider.
Derek Brassard base, Cam Atkinson base, pretty white one. We go for the Colorado Avalanche, Ladislav Kamenev, out of 1299, 0772 is the serial number, and Anthony Mantha base.
William Nylander base, pretty white one. Sub-Zero Sergei Bobrovsky, Columbus. Cogliano base, Patrick Laine base.
Max Domi base, Jack Eichel base. We have a Premier Jerseys for the St. Louis Blues, Vince Dunn. Nice looking card. David Krejci and Dustin Byfuglien base.
We have a Mark Scheifele base. We have a Nicholas Backstrom base. We have a Glacial Graph, autograph, Cam Atkinson, Columbus Blue Jackets. It's out of 75. That's purdy.
Nice looking card.
That's very purdy. Tanev base and a Spurgeon base.